Hi guys, today in this topic we talk about how many bags of sand. How many bags of sand do I need for a 12 by 12 patio? It means if you are creating 12 by 12 patio, suppose this patio is in square shape. Their dimension is 12 foot by 12 foot. This is your patio. And the paver sand is used as sub base material. So what is the weight of one bag of sand? One bag of sand, one sand bag is about 50 lb. It means one bag of sand is weight about 50 lb and its yield about half cubic feet volume. You know this, and you have to calculate how many bags of sand required for a 12 by 12 patio. The thickness or depth of base is about 1 inches thick. It means you have to use the sand at thickness of only 1 inch. Then you have to know the required amount of sand bag. You calculating the volume of this patio. Volume of this patio you calculate. This have dimension 12 foot by 12 foot, and what is the depth of your sand is only 1 inches. If you convert this in feet, this will be 1 by 12. Multiply all these, this will come about 12 cubic feet, and this quantity of sand it comes in cubic feet. It means 12 cubic feet of sand is required for a 12 by 12 patio. Now you measured in cubic yard. Then 12 cubic feet is divided by 27. This will come about 0.45 cubic yards. But in this calculation, you have to know how many sandbags. Then you have to know the number of 50 lb sandbag is equal to total amount of cubic feet. You have 12 cubic feet. This will be divided by yields of 150 lb sandbag, that is 1 by 2. When you solve this, this will come about 24 bags. It means you need about 24 50-pound bags of sand for a 12 by 12 patio. Or if you want to measure in cubic feet, then 12 cubic feet is required, and if you measure in cubic yards, then 0.45 cubic yard of sand is required for this patio. Thank you.